The smell of barbecue is a universal language, one that speaks to the heart and soul. It speaks of warmth, community, and pure deliciousness, evoking memories of shared meals and laughter. It transcends borders and cultures, drawing people together around the flickering flames of a grill, creating bonds that go beyond words. Whether it's the smoky aroma of slow-cooked ribs in Texas, where barbecue is a way of life, or the succulent scent of grilled seafood in Australia, enjoyed by the beach under the sun, BBQ has a unique ability to unite us through our taste buds. From backyard gatherings with family and friends, to bustling street food stalls where the aroma of grilling food fills the air, grilling traditions are as diverse as the people who practice them, each adding their own twist to the art of barbecue. Each region has its own unique approach to BBQ, shaped by local ingredients, cultural customs, and time-honored techniques passed down through generations. This global tapestry of grilling styles is a testament to the enduring appeal of cooking with fire, a tradition that continues to bring people together, no matter where they are in the world. Mastering the art of BBQ is a journey filled with both triumphs and tribulations. It's a culinary adventure that requires patience, skill, and a deep understanding of the grilling process. Even seasoned grill masters face challenges on their quest for the perfect BBQ experience. Each grilling session presents new obstacles and learning opportunities. One of the biggest hurdles is achieving consistent heat control. The ability to maintain a steady temperature can make or break your BBQ. Whether you're using charcoal, gas, or wood, maintaining the ideal temperature is crucial for achieving that sought-after balance of crispy exterior and juicy interior. Each fuel type has its own quirks and requires different techniques to master. Another common pitfall is overcooking. Timing is everything when it comes to BBQ, and a few extra minutes can turn a masterpiece into a disaster. It's all too easy to transform a succulent piece of meat into a dry, chewy disappointment with just a few extra minutes on the grill. Knowing when to pull the meat off the heat is an art in itself. Selecting the right cut of meat for your desired outcome is equally important. The choice of meat can significantly impact the flavor and texture of your BBQ. A brisket, for example, requires a different approach than a tenderloin. Understanding the unique characteristics of each cut and how to best cook them is key to BBQ success. Ultimately, overcoming these challenges and perfecting your BBQ technique brings immense satisfaction. The joy of serving a perfectly grilled meal to friends and family makes all the effort worthwhile.
In the heart of Texas, BBQ is more than just a meal. It's a way of life. Texans take their BBQ seriously, and for good reason. The Lone Star State is renowned for its low and slow smoking method, a time-honored tradition that transforms tough cuts of meat into tender, flavorful masterpieces. Brisket, a staple of Texas BBQ, is typically seasoned with a simple rub of salt and pepper, and then smoked for hours over indirect heat. This slow and steady approach allows the smoke to penetrate deep into the meat, creating an unforgettable flavor profile that has made Texas BBQ legendary.
Across the globe in Argentina, the art of grilling, known as Asado, is a vibrant celebration of fire and flavor. Argentinians are masters of open-flame grilling, using wood-fired grills called parrillas to cook a wide array of meats to perfection. From succulent steaks to chorizo sausages, Argentinian BBQ is all about showcasing the natural flavors of the ingredients. The asado is a social affair, often bringing together family and friends for hours of grilling, eating, and merriment. The asador, or grill master, holds a revered position, carefully tending to the fire and ensuring each cut of meat is cooked to its optimal doneness.
Korean BBQ, known as gogyugi, offers a unique and interactive dining experience. Unlike the slow and low methods of Texas or the open flame grilling of Argentina, Korean BBQ is all about quick cooking over high heat at the center of the table.
Thinly sliced meats, such as marinated beef or bulgogi and pork belly or samgyeopsal, are cooked quickly on a gas or charcoal grill built into the dining table.
The communal nature of Korean BBQ is part of its charm. Diners become active participants in the cooking process, grilling their own meats and wrapping them in lettuce leaves with an assortment of side dishes, or banchan, for a burst of flavor and texture.
No exploration of global BBQ styles would be complete without a trip down under. Australia, a country synonymous with outdoor living, has its own unique take on grilling.
Australian BBQ, often referred to as a barbie, is a relaxed and informal affair, often enjoyed in picturesque settings like beaches and parks.
While Australians grill a variety of meats, seafood plays a starring role in their BBQ culture. From succulent prawns to tender fish fillets, grilling seafood over high heat allows for quick cooking and preserves the natural flavors of the ocean's bounty.
While each country boasts its own unique and delicious BBQ techniques, the low and slow method employed in Texas stands out as a true testament to patience and the transformative power of smoke. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant markets of Brazil, BBQ is a universal language. Yet in Texas, it becomes an art form, a ritual that brings communities together.
The process, often spanning 12 hours or more, is a labor of love that requires constant attention to detail. Every hour, every minute is crucial. The pitmaster must monitor the temperature, adjust the wood, and ensure the smoke is just right. It's a dance of precision and passion.
The magic of Texas BBQ lies in the slow breakdown of tough connective tissues and cuts of meat like brisket. As the meat cooks over low heat, the smoke, often from hickory or pecan wood, works its way deep into the meat, imparting a complex and irresistible flavor that's simply unmatched. This slow infusion of smoke creates layers of taste, making each bite a journey through smoky, savory goodness.
The result is a tender, juicy, and flavorful BBQ experience that's worth every minute of the wait. It's not just food, it's a celebration of time, tradition, and the meticulous craft of BBQ. Each slice tells a story of dedication, patience, and the timeless allure of smoke. From the smoky backyards of Texas to the lively Asado gatherings of Argentina, the communal tables of Korean BBQ, and the laid-back barbecues of Australia, the world of BBQ is a testament to the universal language of fire, food, and community. Each culture has its own unique approach to grilling, shaped by tradition, local ingredients, and a shared love of good food. As you embark on your own grilling adventures, embrace the diversity of BBQ traditions from around the globe. Experiment with different cuts of meat, marinades, rubs, and cooking techniques. And most importantly, savor the journey and the joy of creating delicious food over an open flame.